Hello creators, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this really cute versatile alphabet photo holder. It can also be doubled as a candy holder using Cricut Design Space. This design really blew up on my Instagram page and everyone was asking for tutorial, and here it is. Now I've opened my Cricut Design Space, where it's a blank canvas so that you can adjust the design to the preferred size that you want. Now I'm going to click on the image and try to find a letter R. So make sure the letter you choose is chunky and it has one layer. So I like this design and I'm going to add it to my canvas and resize it according to my preference. So make sure the letter R doesn't have like a different layers like I'm showing right now. So you need to convert it to one single layer by clicking the Unite button. It becomes one whole letter. Now I'm looking for a flower or any kind of image that I can attach to my letter. So I am looking for some flower designs right now. Yeah, I like this one. I'm going to add it to my canvas. I'm resizing the image. Make sure only the edge of the design touches the letter. This process is simply for the image to attach to the letter, so when it's cutting it is a whole design. So I'm just touching the edge of the flower with the letter. I like the position right now. I'm going to go ahead and unite the letter and also the flower. Now it's a single design, so when I feed it to my Cricut machine, it cuts as a whole design. I'm duplicating the same letter and I'm going to flip the design so that when I fold it, the letters align. Now I like the letters and the position. The next step is to bridge both letters, like attach. Now the two R's are like a different letter. Now I'm going to attach it. I'm choosing a rectangle shape preferably. And I'm going to make it as a bridge between two letters, and I'm going to attach both letters so they are a single design when I cut. Position. It is going to act as a base for the things that you're going to put inside the holders. For example, if you're going to put a thick candy, the base needs to be a little bigger. If you're going to just put a photo, the base can be a little thinner. Once I like the position and everything, I'm going to unite the design into one. Now I'm ready to cut. Before that, I'm just going to add a score line. The score line will just score the cardstock without cutting the cardstock, which will allow you to fold the cardstock without damaging the paper. I'm going to add two score lines so that it's easier for me to fold. Now I'm going to duplicate the same thing and place it on the other end of the letter. So I have two score lines allowing me to fold the design and flip it. And once that's done, I'm going to select the entire design and click attach so that the design stays in place when I cut. Now let's go make the design. I've cut two of the same design. I'm going to stick one on the top of the other one so that it's sturdier. I'm using some standard double-side tape to stick both designs together. You can always add accents to the design. For example, I am going to put my photo inside the holder, which was taken in New York. So I'm going to do a subtle design of the skyline and iron it to the design. I'm going to use a iron-on sheet to make this design. I'm going to add it to the letter R so that it reminds me of the New York and the time when the picture was taken. And you can customize it to your own preference. This design is so versatile that you can use in so many ways. Here I'm showing a small demonstration of how you can use it as a candy holder. You can use it for party favors, for bridal showers, for like bachelorette parties, and any ways that you want. I'm making the same design but a little smaller with whatever alphabet that you like. And I'm going to place a candy this time instead of a photo. so that it acts as a nice candy holder with a custom initial. I'm using glue here, but you can also use double-sided tape, strong adhesive tape, or whatever adhesive you prefer to, for cardstock assembly. One of my favorite things about this design is that not limiting to just being a photo holder, and this is honestly why I love making projects like this. The same exact basic idea can be used in so many ways. Alright, that is how I made this alphabet photo holder using Cricut Design Space. I hope this gave you some inspiration for your next party gift or Cricut project. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you feel in the comments below. Would you see this as a photo holder, or a candy holder, or a party favor? Because I honestly love to know how would you personalize yours.